Hello, Facebook crew. It's Jessica from the Stitchhouse, and I am so excited to tell you about our shirt. It's live, isn't it? It's our. I've tried. Okay. In my defense, I tried to say shop and learn live about 10 times before this all started. So since we're on Facebook Live, you just get the real take. I am here to tell you about the Floriani Shop and Learn Live. We got to slow it down for my brain a little bit. Let me tell you what we're going to be learning about and what it's all about. It's a really cool virtual event. We've never done one of these before, and it's going to be hosted by Floriani and us. So, who should attend this event? How does it happen? And what are we going to learn? Who should attend this event? Anybody that is interested in machine embroidery, or if you're an avid machine embroiderer, this would be a really cool event to learn more and perfect your skill. Now, as COVID-19 has been happening in the store, we have a lot of new people to embroidery, which is awesome. A lot of people picking up a new hobby, something they can do at home without being bored, or tearing your hair out because you've been listening to your husband or your children for a long time. So embroidery has been a fun, hot new hobby during this crazy time. And we're getting a ton of questions here at the store. A lot of people are coming in saying, stabilizer, what's that? Or needle choices, thread choices. So in this Shop and Learn, we are going to have an expert instructor from Floriani, and she is going to teach us all about all these different types of stabilizers. There's so many stabilizers out there. There's so many needle choices out there, and there's so many thread choices out there. And all of those things really play expert, beautiful embroidery. So if you're looking to create expert, beautiful embroidery, then this is the Shop and Learn webinar you need to attend. Now, there's lots of really cool tips and tricks that we're going to be teaching you about, and it's going to be all in the Shop and Learn webinar, but the best part about it is that it's totally free to attend. You don't have to pay anything. Have to leave your pajamas. You can wear your same sweatpants you've been wearing for a long time, hair up in a bun, coffee in hand, sitting at home with your cute little dogs or cats, and learn everything that you need to learn about embroidery in this fun webinar. So I don't think there's any losing this situation. I think it only is going to be fun, entertaining, and definitely educational. So how do you attend this event? Well, our Shop and Learn webinar is on June 12th, and thanks to Brittany in the back. Our Shop and Learn webinar is on June 12th, and to join it, you're going to need a special link to attend. So to get that link, all you have to do is click that you're going or you're interested in our Facebook event that we created on our page at Shop Stitchhouse, and then when we receive the link to let you know how to attend the event, we will post it in that group. If any of that is confusing to you, do not worry, give us a call. We will help you with all of that. Page, find the event on our events page. It's going to be called the Floriani Shop and Learn webinar. Click that you're interested or that you're attending, and we will post the link so that on June 12th you'll be able to join in and see everything that we've got going on. Again, we're going to be teaching you about all this crazy stuff: sew fab foam, wet and gone tacky, when to use a ballpoint needle. All of that kind of stuff is going to be in this webinar, and because we are looking forward to some education again. So if you have any questions, please give us a call at the store. Otherwise, we are here on Facebook to